Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a little gift tag, but when I saw this vellum paper, which is free during celebration, this is part of our second release, I kind of immediately saw bridal. Bear with me, I will get there. I kind of saw bridal and I kind of saw gift tags, and then it kind of went, oh, favours, because I'd gone from, oh, well, that would be nice to gift to a bridesmaid or, you know, somebody who'd been part of the bridal party. And then I thought favours, and certainly when I got married, and it might be a bit, you know, old news now, but when I got married, everybody was doing national lottery tickets, or lotto I think it's called now, lotto tickets as wedding favours. We personally didn't do them, but they were really popular because they were £1 per ticket. So I thought that might be a good idea. I don't know if it's the in thing at the moment. I don't know. I've been married 18 years. Might not be the in thing, but I thought you could fold a lottery ticket and pop it inside, which is what I've done here. So although it's tied at the top, so nothing will fall out, you can peep inside and see it, and so somebody would be able to get their lottery ticket out. Instead, what I did was I put some of this beautiful paper. So we've got flowering foils, free during celebration, and the vellum, also free. So you know what, bride on a budget, winner winner. So these are the flowering foils paper, and like I say, you're not really seeing a huge amount of it, but there's 4 different patterns and they are gold and silver, and I used them the other day. Not gold and silver, rose gold and silver. This one's silver, this one's rose gold and silver, and this one's rose gold. And like I say, I did share a project with these the other day, so you can see it in more detail. But then the vellum is also free, and you've got 3 colourways. So we've got pool party, I think it's pool party, so you've got a couple of sheets of that, 2 of that, I'm going to say soft sea foam, 2 of that. Actually, let me show you one sheet of it because it's very slightly paler, and 1 of the purple. I probably ought to tell you exactly what colours they are, but yeah. My paperwork's over on the other side. So what I'm going to do is show you how I put it together. Now, the outer tag, you need a piece that's 2 by 6, so you're going to get bazillions out of one of those packs. So that's for one side, and then for the inner bit, 2 by 4, tiny. So that's 5 by 15 centimetres, 5 by 10, and this literally is just the other half, which I'm going to use for my punching. And 2 punches. Ornate tag topper, butterfly duet. Love, love, love. Right, so first things first, fold your piece of vellum in half and gently press it. Now, vellum doesn't like being overworked. It doesn't like really being scored too much. It cracks. So that is enough to do it. And then the same with this, just fold this one in half. You could put... I mean, if you were going to do a lottery ticket, yes, you would fold the lottery ticket and then probably put it inside here. But if you were doing this as a gift tag, yes, you could write inside. That's going to fit in there shortly. But for now, I'm going to punch through these 2 layers at the same time. And it's the 2 open sides. It's not the fold, it's the open side. And like I say, I was kind of considering a bride on a budget. Probably if I got my calculator out, I could work out how many you could get out of one sheet. Lots. But yeah, bride on a budget. I got married on a budget. Lots of people do. So that was kind of my thinking. And, you know, free paper. Hey, you could be mum of the bride. If you're mum of the bride, you could gift the paper while you're buying stuff. Or you could even buy the punches and, you know, a couple of other supplies and things and get the paper for free, and then you've got everything set up. Oh, my brain's going into overdrive. Right. So I've got this ribbon here. Now this one is mint macaron, which isn't quite the right colour, but I'm happy enough with it. So I'm just going to nick that off at an angle. So I've folded it in half, and I'm going to come through from the back to the front. And then through that loop, I'm going to pull those 2 tails. Like that, and then as you pull it gets tighter, and actually there's a little bit on the long side. They could be place settings as well. Seriously, my brain's off. It's off and working. You could do these as place settings with maybe with somebody's initial or something on the back. And then it could be the gift as well. Oh, okay. I'm going to tie I'm going to try and tie a pretty bow on the front. If you're like me, not so handy with the bows, tie knots. The men will appreciate the knot. We didn't do individual favours at my wedding. Like I say, it was a budget, so we actually had these pretty bowls that our hotel gave us for the reception, and we filled them with sugared almonds that we bought in bulk from, well, it wasn't Amazon because that wasn't around, it was a website called confetti.com, and we just scattered bowls of sugared almonds and mint imperials all over the tables. We were on a budget. Okay, so this piece that I've kept here, it's to do the flowers. Now, they're not flowers at all, are they? They're butterflies. So you can punch them out just like that. I did sponge the edges, but to be honest, I'm not completely convinced you can see that the edges are sponged, but so we're not going to do that. What I have done, and you'll see me with butterflies, I normally just fold them in half and the wings stick up like that. Let me get a scrap and show you what I normally do. So normally with butterflies, I go like that, and that's how they fly. What I'm going to do instead, I'm going to punch another one on white because I think you'll see it better. I'm actually going to curl the corners, curl the wings, and then take them in half, and you get a different look to the butterfly. It looks different. It kind of just looks a little bit more elegant. So I'm going to do that, but please be gentle with vellum. It's not mad keen on being overworked, as I said before, but hopefully you can see that curl is quite different. You'll see that I cracked this one here. I cracked this one because I overworked it, so be very gentle when you're going across spots, because it is textured vellum. There we go. So hopefully you can see it's curling. Very pretty. And the same on the little one as well, because, you know, the little one needs to fly as well. And then gently just fold it in half. And it's sort of shaped like, well, you can see it like that. And this one as well. And I'm going to get my little pearls. Love these. Running out of that sheet. Have I got another sheet on? Oh, that's an empty sheet. Who puts empty stuff away? That's no good. So I'm going to take a big one. I'm going to have 3 big ones on the bigger butterfly. And then because I appear to only have one little one, I'm going to take 3 medium-sized ones on the smaller butterfly. Oh, it's all flying around. So there we go. And then behind where I've put the pearls, I can use my mini glue dots now. Mini glue dots and vellum, best friends. They really are. And so I'll pop that one there. And that one there. And like I said, I think those would make, aside from the fact that they're really very pretty gift tags, I do think they would make a great wedding favour. If you popped a lottery ticket in there, something like that. I mean, obviously you're not going to fit anything, well, you might fit a tiny little thin chocolate, but yeah, I thought that one might be quite nice. Or even just name tags, so you could put the person's name on the back. What do you think? I like them, and for all but free, literally you would just be buying the punches, the ribbon and the pearls. Job done. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.